is Attorney Alexis Miranda.
Anong kaso?
Your Honor, this woman is not a criminal. She protected herself from the man who was meant to protect her.
Miss Valencia, could you tell me how many times you have sex in one day? Is it once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day? Give me a number.
Gusto mong pumunta ng Europe?
Anong maganda daw dun sa clients?
Bukas may
Ano lahat ng yan? What, we were just colleagues who have sex? Get it now. I'm just...
ng kahapon.
Ang hirap kasi sa inyo mga babae kasi you're too emotional.
So, sino dito yung lalaking gumagos sa'yo at pinagpalit ka sa anak ng boss mo?
Kailan ang honeymoon?
Saan ba mas romantic? Sa Paris ba o sa Florence?
Ever since nakita tayo, hindi na dito sa akin.
Ano yung Gina G?
Gwapong-gwapo.
Ako'y babangon.
Sunod-sunod pagkapanalo mo, Atty. Miranda. Good job.
Nananatiling nakatindi.
Lagi akong sinasabi sa mga tao, most of the things I've learned about being a lawyer, I learned them from you.
But you know what? One day, we will cross paths, and I'll be strong enough. I'll be strong enough to tell everybody. See you in court.